What's up, guys? Dennis and Mitch here from Stick Mobility. So today we're gonna just kind of go over the fundamental horse stance and take it into a kayak. So for the shoulders. So what you want to look at is that you're stacked on top of each other. We want a wide stance. So you can have a medium, to a really large, wide horse stance. Think of, could you actually get your legs around a pony or a real full-size horse, a Clydesdale? But from there, we want knees soft. And then we want to sink into there. So we activate muscles. We're not just relying on our joints to hold us up. We're going to use all of our muscles to irradiate, learn how to stack all the joints on top of each other, sit in there and get really strong in our lower half. It's going to help the core. It's going to help set the posture. So this is what horse stance should look like. If we got in there close, you can see the shirt starting to shake as the muscles are working. So it's a big challenge to just try to sit and hold a horse stance. You will get much stronger fundamentally and functionally. So from there, Dennis has got his hands on the outside of the stick. So we are going to push in lightly and we're going to start taking into a kayak motion. It's going to kind of resemble a swimming stroke. What you're looking for is one hand will kind of be the leader and the other one will be resisting. So right now, since we're moving forward, that top hand becomes the leader and the driver. The back hand is resisting and then it has to switch over the top. So we're good at looking for a nice fluid motion. We're staying in that stacked position. He's maintaining horse. He's taking that shoulder through a full range of motion, so we're getting an active stretch and we're strengthening all those end ranges of motion. Now we can start to reverse it. So now he's going to take it backwards, kind of like a backstroke. Now it moves the opposite way. So now the bottom hand becomes the driver and the leader. Top hand resists until it comes back under. Again, look at where the motion is on both of them. They remain the same. We always end up coming through center. So think of that with the bottom hand. That will always come and cross out in front of belly button. And that's how you'll keep the motion smooth. If you wanted to make it more strength, you just apply more pressure. So we can take it into very light of just joint articulation, rotation. We can make it activation by upping that a little bit more in like 15-25%. Or we can crank it up to higher percentages like lifting and you take it into strength. Now the higher percentage you go, the lower the reps will be, the lower time under tension. And there you go. So horse stance to kayak.